Despite the advancements in technology, there is inevitably a subset of society that is still catching up. An estimated 1 billion individuals worldwide, many in developing countries, lack a legal identity or digitally verifiable one. Globally, over 1.7 billion adults do not have access to a bank, and many are in rural areas. Alongside the ever-looming presence of AI, seen in the rise of AI technologies like ChatGPT by OpenAI, and the proliferation of the internet, this brings out the question, how can everyone have universal access to the global economy while distinguishing between bots and humans in the digital space? These two overarching themes come together to form the foundation of Worldcoin, an open source system designed to provide proof of personhood and financial public goods simultaneously as AI technology becomes more prevalent. My name is Trevor with CMC, and let's dive in. So first of all, what is Worldcoin? Well, amidst the pandemic, Worldcoin was co-founded by none other than the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, alongside Max Novenstern and also Alex Blania. Worldcoin aims to be the world's largest identity and financial utility by leveraging blockchain technology to target the two previously mentioned issues to democratize access to the global economy, especially for the less fortunate, and as well as to use it as a step towards universal basic income, or UBI, to support the people whose jobs have been displaced by AI. Worldcoin is structured into three main segments, namely number 1, Worldcoin ID, number 2, Worldcoin app, and 3, Worldcoin token. So these three segments come together to form a comprehensive solution that is Worldcoin. So what is World ID? Well, World ID claims to be a decentralized, privacy-protected identity solution intended to bring global proof of personhood to the internet. This essentially allows each user to prove that they are indeed a unique individual, instead of bots that would misuse Worldcoin services and benefits granted to users. So World ID is designed with the citizens of developing nations in mind, many of whom do not have any properly verifiable forms of identification. Worldcoin stated that the World ID can be thought of as a digital passport that lets you prove that you are a unique and also real person while remaining anonymous. This data stored is protected by zero-knowledge technology, which enables it to be used to verify a user's personhood, but without revealing their actual identity or their online habits to counterparties. The World ID is not tied to the actual biometric data, but is simply a form of proof that the user is verified and also can be trusted to be an actual human user. This is similar to most forms of identification that includes certain watermarked, embossed, or holographic markings to certify the legitimacy of the document. And the use cases of the World ID include allowing users to sign in with Worldcoin on a website, mobile app, or also cryptocurrency dApp. So what is the World app? Well, the first step to getting verified with World ID is getting Worldcoin's mobile app, known as World App, with more options coming. World App functions very much like a stripped-down crypto wallet, plus a few additional features. It is tied to the user's World ID and also allows it to be used with the Worldcoin's related services, such as Worldcoin grants. Worldcoin grants are payouts for users in eligible countries who are verified via World ID. They can be seen as a form of fair and equal distribution to all World ID verified users, simply by nature of being able to prove that they are real human beings. These grants are time-limited offers and are paid out in Worldcoin's token, WLD. Additionally, World App supports wallet features including sending and receiving tokens as well as buying and selling of tokens. And that said, trading of tokens are currently limited to wrapped Bitcoin, Ether, and also DAI. Worldcoin explained that this allows users who are new to the crypto space to not be intimidated by the number of available tokens and can learn in a controlled environment. Users can also on-ramp and off-ramp funds easily via MoonPay and also Ramp, which have been integrated with the app. World App is currently in beta and runs on the Polygon blockchain. However, Worldcoin recently announced that they are in the works to migrate World App to Optimism as part of Optimism's superchain. And this is part of the collaboration between Optimism and Worldcoin, and the migration is expected to come concurrently with the next Ethereum upgrade, EIP 4848. 0.044, which will introduce a significant transaction fee reduction on Ethereum Layer 2s. Additionally, the app integrates account abstraction via safe, tried, and also tested contracts, allowing the user experience to be optimized for new crypto users. Beyond basic wallet functions, World app also boasts Learn to Earn courses to provide new users with the materials to learn more about crypto and also earn Bitcoin, Ether, and DAI. While non-verified users can still access the materials, the rewards for completion are only available to users who are World ID verified. Other World ID benefits on the World app include gas-free transactions when using the wallet. Although the World app has only just been open to the public, more than 1.5 million users have already signed up, of which 500K are active users. And the app sees an average of 60K transactions daily and 25,000 World ID checks. And with the app now open globally, these numbers are only expected to rise. So what is the Worldcoin token WLD? Well, the Worldcoin token, or simply Worldcoin, WLD, is the final piece of the puzzle. Within the World app, Worldcoin is the currency in which grants are currently issued. Beyond grants, Worldcoin will also be used for governance over the Worldcoin protocol to determine the direction and future of Worldcoin. Additionally, the token can be expected to be integrated with the World app to be used as payments for specific services. And currently, Worldcoin is not intended to be distributed to citizens in the United States or any of the other restricted regions. So how to get verified on Worldcoin? Well, while there are several layers to the identity verification, a user can get a World ID verified only through Worldcoin operators using a device known as the Orb. The Orb is a biometric imaging device which captures the user's iris. Since an iris pattern is extremely hard to fake, this is used as Worldcoin's chosen method of identity verification to prove that a single person has not signed up for the multiple World IDs. Since these verifications are done in person with the World app, this means that no other information such as their emails or names are required, which makes World ID a pseudonymous form of identification. So to get verified, users can, number one, download the World app on the App Store or Google Play Store. And then number two, after passing the initial setup, users can find an orb near them by following the instructions in the app. And then three, complete verification with a Worldcoin operator at the chosen location. And then once done, the World ID will be available in the app, enabling the users to access various services and also benefits. Beyond Worldcoin's use case of World ID for increasing accessibility to the global economy and financial services, World ID can also be easily used in other applications, such as social media sites looking to cut down on bot profiles. In fact, World ID has been released with its SDK, allowing builders to leverage their technology in their own applications. So now let's talk about some concerns over Worldcoin. Well, the Orb method of verification has riled up many privacy advocates, with many criticizing the process as dystopian-like. In fact, this stirred up a 2022 MIT Technology Review expose, which highlighted privacy concerns in Worldcoin's practice and how the less fortunate were being exploited. Tools for Humanity, one of the partners at building Worldcoin, had to step in to refute the allegations. Others, like former Ethereum developer Hudson Jameson, believes that Worldcoin shows a lack of transparency and regards its tokenomics as questionable. Nevertheless, Worldcoin is reportedly close to a $100 million raise, a significant amount in the current market conditions. Worldcoin has already raised funds from prominent investors such as A16Z, Digital Currency Group, and also Coinbase Ventures in its Series A round. Let us know what you think about Worldcoin and also its Orb in the comments down below.